Did you know that 50% of women suffer from dry, dull or frizzy hair?
We've got something revolutionary for these clients.
Welcome to learn about our new Ultimate Smooth.
Smooth and shiny hair is hair that everybody longs for.
Half of the women are constantly looking for solutions to make their hair smoother and shinier with frizz control. Or in case of curly hair, they look for curl definition.
But do you know what causes dry, dull and frizzy hair? Well, even healthy hair can appear as such. Some hair types lack moisture naturally as the cuticle layer is less intact by nature. Furthermore, all the daily wear and tear, combing, washing and styling with heat causes more stress to the hair, making it appear frizzy and dull.
For ultimate smoothness and shine, hair needs to be nourished from inside to outside. Our scientists have developed a new formula with patented technology containing squalane and omega-9. Let's look at these two power ingredients a bit closer.
Squalane is a 100% plant-derived ingredient derived from sugarcane. It's a lipid that's also used in skincare. It helps to protect the hair against external humidity. Humidity protection is essential for a lasting anti-frizz effect.
Omega-9 is a bioidentical lipid covering the surface and filling in the cuticle to recreate a protective barrier on hair. Together, they nourish hair from the inside while protecting it from outside. These ingredients are also known from premium skincare products, where they are used to boost hydration and healthier looking skin. The result? Exceptional smoothness, shine and frizz control. Hair feels softer and it's easier to manage. It also holds its smooth style for longer.
We all know how smooth and shiny hair feels, but did you know you can even hear the result? Listen to this demo and hear the difference. In the next module, we're going to deep dive into the products and usage. See you there.